Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today's video we're going to talk about how you can receive a call or reject a call just by using your AirPods Pro. Okay, now it has a little sensor which will allow you to do those things if you know how to use it. Well, if you don't worry, because we're going to go ahead and show you how you can do it. Now to do that process, the very first work you have to do, make sure that you are connected with your iPhone and also your microphone is actually on the automatic. I mean, it should be set it as automatic, okay? You also can do it just by going up your settings and then tap your Bluetooth and then go ahead and tap this eye icon on your AirPods Pro. Scroll down here and check out this microphone. Go ahead and tap on there. Make sure that you're actually selecting your both. I mean, you're selecting automatic so that it can switch between your left or right AirPod, okay? After doing this process, now let's go ahead and do how it really works. Now, let me just go ahead and use my other phone in order to call to this number so that I can show you how it works. Alright guys, now the call is coming right over here. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and receive this call without even touching this iPhone. Now to do the process, the first work you have to do, just go ahead and place your AirPod on your both ear. This is the first work, so let me just go ahead and leave it there. And then after you've just placed in your ear, you have to simply use this little steam button. Go ahead and just press it once if you want to receive this call. Now the call has been received and I just received it just by using this AirPods Pro, okay? Now if you want to just simply reject this call, then all you gotta do just once again go ahead and press this steam button just like that, and the call will be rejected and the call will be ended, okay? Alright guys, now if you want to reject this call, how do you do it? You simply can just press this steam button for twice just like that, and then call will be rejected and the person will get notified that you have rejected the call. Alright guys, so this is how you can use your AirPod to receive or end or ignore your calls, okay? Hope this video is useful guys. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching and we will talk to you soon.